To gift or not to gift? This is the question. A lot of Poshmark sellers are sending a little gift with their customers' purchase, and to be honest, I would like to create a happy experience for my shoppers. I mean, they can go in a store and purchase whatever they need, but shopping online is not as physical as it is in the store. You cannot get the feel of the fabric or touch the item, or you cannot try what you like. And all in all, it is a bit of a confusing experience. So I like to give an extra thanks to every client that purchases let's say over $25 or $30 item or items. I heard a lot of buyers complain that sellers send gifts that end up in the trash, and to be honest, I've been looking for adorable and useful little thank you gifts myself. I like to brighten someone's day and make their shopping experience fun, so I came across TEMU a little while ago and decided to give it a try, as they have a really inexpensive things that you can buy in bulk and can make a nice thank you gift. So here is my fifth package, and I decided to share with you my little haul, maybe give you an idea or two for your clients. I ordered this package a week ago. They're really fast to ship, and they ship securely. This is very sturdy, and honestly, I forgot exactly what's in it. I also order a lot of supplies for my reselling business from them, so let's break her open. Okay, so I have a bunch of socks, and these socks are sold in bulk. It is 6 pairs of socks for like $4 or $5. It comes to really 50-60 cents per pair, but look how pretty. Look at the little bears. So the theme is animal print. Okay, so I ordered a lot of socks. They're really cute, and they are good quality, surprisingly, for them being 50 cents or 60 cents per pair, which is a really good deal. And what I have here is a mountain of socks. They're all different looking, and I order also these iridescent bags that are self-sealing. So I put a pair of socks in there with a thank you card, and this is how I send it to my customers when they purchase. So this is like a 10 pair of socks for really like $6 or $7 per package. So it's a really good deal. The next up, I ordered for myself actually, and they're really simple socks, but they have this at the end, at the heel. Really pretty, and I believe it's more on the cottony side, although they all have a little bit of polyester in them for stretch. This is the 4th time I ordered this package, this pair of particular model. And these are really pretty, and I got a lot of compliments and a lot of good reviews and thank yous for the little socks. So they have this carnation hem with little dots and little bows, little cherries, and striped. You have a bunch of different models, little houndstooth, and just simple pairs with just the hearts. They come in 5 colors, 2 shades of gray, black, beige, and white. Again, I don't think I paid more than $7 for pack of 10. And then this pack of 10 is just plain and simple. They all have a little contrasting band. They're stretchy, they're good quality, and I think everybody needs a pair of socks, right? And then the last one, I hope, because I have a lot right now. This will last me a long time, maybe 2 months. So this is just the ballet flats socks, and they have little anti-slip dots over here. Just thin, and pretty sturdy. And it is a pack of 10, and I believe I paid like $6. Okay, this is it for the socks. Now, this is really useful. This is ordered for my supplies, and they are protective bags, dust bags for purses and wallets. When I thrift, I find purses that normally don't have protective bags, of course, and these are very thin and well, yeah, they're protective. So it's nice to send something like this with a purse that somebody's buying. It's a nice surprise. And I ordered 3 different sizes. There are wallets, medium purses, and large purses, protective bags. And oh, this is so cute. I ordered these on Amazon. I found them first, and then I found them here on TEMU. They're stickers, and it says, "I hope this makes you smile," and there's a little rainbow there. This is really cute, even for little purchases, $5, $10, $15, and this don't cost much. I believe $2 maybe for a few sheets. I think there are 10 sheets on the sheet. Then I ordered some bandanas for myself, but don't mind if I sell a few. So they're really cute, really cute. Oh, it has something that keeps this up, like that. What is this? I forgot what I ordered, you guys. It's so terrible. Oh, this is a little clip with cherries. Ah! This is so adorable. I'm gonna give this for myself. And this is another one for the hair. Oops. And this is like a very light, plasticky kind of pearl. And this is for my hair. I have a lot of hair. I ordered this string cord because I'm making stretch bracelets for myself, for my friends, and to sell. And I hope this is a good quality. You need quality for the bracelets, otherwise they're gonna break after you wear them once or twice. So yeah, okay, this is good. This is good. We're happy with this one. Oh, the thank you cards. Okay, so I ordered thank you cards, and I'm gonna put here on the screen how much I paid for them. Thank you for supporting my small business, and they're iridescent, and I thought it would pair really nice with the iridescent gift bags, those little self-sealing bags. More stickers, the thank you. I hope this makes you smile, with the rainbow. And I ordered some clips for my hair because my hair is crazy. They're not that good of a quality, but let's try them on and see how my hair will do with this. And I do not know what this is. I forgot what I ordered. It says pot-bellied, pretty internet pot-belly glasses. Okay, this might be a mistake. Oh, okay, I know what it is. This is not glasses. Oh, this is so cute. It is a water bottle. Stay there. It is a water bottle, and you have 2 tops. And it has pretty little flowers on it. It's like a matte glass, and you can change the tops. And it also has a plastic thing so the water doesn't spill. Wow! What's this? Oh, the silica gel. Okay, never mind. Wow, I like this. And this is the top for storage. I completely forgot about this. This is so cute. And you have the measuring over here. It's very comfy. You can put it in the car while you drive. This is not a thermos though. Happy with this. I also ordered these stickers. It says a free gift because some customers are buying for the first time, and if I'm sending a free gift, they don't know. They think, oh my god, I did not order this. Maybe it's a mistake. So free gift with purchase is a really good thing to have, and you just put this on the little bag and they will know it is a thank you gift. So this is it for my TEMU haul today. I hope you liked it. I hope it inspires you. I like to send a free gift with every purchase that's over $25-30. You don't have to. I'm just giving you some good ideas. Thank you so much for being here. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe and like, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.